Hey, what's up, guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for Blu-ray and 4K Tuesday. Today's a big release. Four big titles got released on 4K and Blu-ray. The Running Man, Earth Girls Are Easy, Saturday Night Fever, and Casablanca. So the first unboxing video will be for Arnold Schwarzenegger's The Running Man on 4K for the first time, limited edition steelbook with slip. It's the 35th anniversary edition. 4K Ultra HD plus digital HD. So there's the front, spine, and got your back. If you want to read details and special features. Okay, nice glossy slip. So here it is. Yeah, there's a slip. Then we remove the slip. And then here's the steelbook. There's the front, spine, and out your back. And digital copy code for The Running Man. And we got one disc, the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray disc. And then here's the interior artwork of Arnold Schwarzenegger. So yeah, movie fans, that was my quick unboxing of The Running Man, the limited edition 4K steelbook. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Thank you. Leave me a comment section below letting me know what's your favorite Arnold Schwarzenegger film of all time. Thank you.